This channel is dedicated to, let's say, like re-educating you to basically become a lot better chef, thinking about like execution and the simplicity of great flavour rather than, let's say, quantity. The other people who's actually it's aimed at is restaurateurs. I'm sorry, but like, you know, their Lumi burgers and the risottos, sorry, they are just so overused. We're getting bored of them, and my channel like is saying, well, hey, you know, come ashore, you can easily make something. There's actually no excuse for lazy chefing. And finally, it's for people who want to like consider about the reuse of food. The great thing about like Spanish and Catalan cuisine is how it actually takes into the idea of, okay, yeah, this is like, let's say, food which is like going off or, let's say, going out of date, and we need to use it. And for decades, if not hundreds of years, they actually incorporated this in their diet. And I thought, wow, you know, that's like a really cool idea. It's way before, let's say, sustainable living, which we, you know, now, let's say, in Northern Europe, seems to like take on board like a lot more. Now I'm going to be doing food which is, let's say, on the beaten track, tried and tested recipes, and I'm also going to be pushing out the barrier a little bit, actually trying other recipes which are going to be new and, let's say, my own inventions. Hopefully, like, you will enjoy the channel. You will like and subscribe.
Buonissimo. Come ashore.